Well, after our relaxing break by the lake, we're going to be on the move again. This is the lovely Rosa, who is our host.
Hello.
Did you guys enjoy the lake?
Oh, absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. And what a wonderful place to stay. A wonderful host. Yes.
Fabulous.
Amazing.
And we've replaced Henry with Addy. Not that chap. So Addy is going to be taking over for a few days. Right then.
Okay, we're off. On the road.
Well, we're at Verstud, which is a village in, I think, on the borders of Dibër and Albania. We've just come up to do a little bit of walking. And we have some shepherd friends here who have offered us some dal. So we always make a point of stopping here because they're ever so friendly. We're having compulsory cheese. So it's milking time. They're here from, I think, maybe the 10th of May through to the middle of November. And then they leave the mountains for the warmth of, I don't know, Tirana probably. We're trying to find a path, which, to my humiliation, I have failed to find. But anyway, Booby's happy, and that's the key thing. Well, this is embarrassing. I couldn't find the trailhead, so we've just taken a stroll on the plateau instead. As soon as I left them to bring the car over, I found the trailhead. Such is life. We have just discovered that my ineptitude about not finding the trailhead was probably a lucky escape, because it's now coming down in buckets where the guys would have emerged. Just had lunch at restaurant Bala, which is back there. Amazing lamb if you're passing through Verstud, stop. Now our friend Albert is showing us the new and very smart visitor centre, which even has beds.
And border outdoors in Macedonia, 6 kilometers. Kosovo and Macedonia, 6 kilometers. In Argaita and.
After another long bumpy day, we find ourselves in Bulqize, and everybody's looking up at our accommodation for the night, which is a work in progress, but pretty impressive nonetheless. This is a 230-year-old kulla, traditional stone tower house, and most of the work has been done by one guy who you'll meet in a second. Luli is showing us around the garden and talking about his plans for the future, for camping, tables, chickens. And he's Facebooking us live as well. Camera on camera action.
Sì. Nice, huh?
So here's the sort of living room, the entertainment room. Fantastic on TV as well.
And I leave the wood.
Yes, lovely.
Everything is fine.
Yes, you've left it exposed.
Yes.
Now we're on the top floor, which is a work in progress. But with Luli's energy, it'll be done soon. The old oven in the corner there.
It's not so easy, huh?
So these are stone shutters,
Yes.
so that they're bulletproof. And you have a good field of vision to shoot at people. I'm about to leave Luli's because I've got to run to Kosovo to deliver money to Ardi due to the organisational cock-up. So I'm going to leave the guys and Booby with Luli, and hopefully they'll have a fun and enjoyable night. It's kind of an incredible place.